Hi everyone, welcome to Take My Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove secret chat on Telegram. So let's jump right in. First, open the Telegram app. In the chat section, find the secret chat that you want to remove. Now, after selecting the chat, swipe it left to see more options. After swiping left, you will see the delete option appear. Tap on it. A confirmation message will pop up asking if you are sure you want to delete this secret chat. Tap on the delete option again to confirm. The secret chat is now removed from your Telegram app. And this is how you can remove secret chat on Telegram. Thank you for watching Take My Life. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.